Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and once again this has been Erica Lifestyle. This is Erica Lifestyle right here, and yeah, welcome back to my channel. And today's vlog, it's another collaboration and another unboxing and try on. And guess what? Is Tipex Instant Apex. So it's a sculpted acrylic tips and nail glow set. So it's 5A 5 angels. So it's 5A, so that means it's 5 angels. So this is, thank you so much from 5 angels. Tipex Instant Apex sculpted acrylic tips and nail glow set. So stay with me and bear with me because we gonna unbox this together. And yeah, and let's see and let's figure it out and what's inside with the inclusion with this box with from the 5 angels. So but before that, I would like to thanks to this to this brand who choose me and pick me as one of your brand ambassadors. So thank you so much, 5 angels, for this amazing 5A 5 angels Tipex Instant Apex and sculpted acrylic tips and nail glow set. So let's this I can't wait to open what's inside, and yeah, so let's do this together. And let's open this one. So I love their packaging. It's, I think this is purple color. So let's open and let's see what's inside. I can't wait. So first, it has a nail file right here, and it says the brand there. There you go. So it has the foundation, which is the base gel, and it has 7.5 ml. So yeah, and they have this cord for the, I think, wow, this is pretty cute. So this is for, to make it for a LED lights for your dryer. So it's for nail pro at your fingerprint. So you just put it here and plug this one. So pretty cute. I love it. Thank you so much. So there you go. And it has Instant Apex manual here. You can read it later. And it has nail glue. So this is the Tipex Instant Apex 5A 5 angels. 5 angels. 5 angels. Pronounce it right. So, and there you go. This is pretty cool. So later we're gonna try it on how it looks like. I already removed the nail gel or the acrylic nail on my nails. So just for this collaboration, I want to try it on and how it looks like. Does it look good if I try it on? And yeah, let's this together. So yeah, I love it so much. And it has a ultimate experience and constant empowering upgrade money level, and it eternal money mate born for nail lovers. So for for all my friends there who loves because our nail is, if your nails are looking good, looking clean, then it's makes you beautiful and gorgeous. It's next to your cleanliness, or kind of you know, hygienic if your nails are looking good as well. So yeah, this is pretty amazing. So yeah, so half matte and long coffin. So half of this nails, can you see? So let's open this one. And see, looks good. Wow. So it is half matte and long coffin. So can't you see? Half matte and half coffin. Amazing. So yeah, I'm gonna read. Let's do that way. I'm gonna read since I'm here. So it has an instruction here. Yeah, easy. So it has a LED UV light. So this one right here, this is the USB port. This one right here, and so this one, it's compiles with Canadian ISIS. Amazing. So it has the directions and how to put. It's right here. It's, you know, if simple, just read the instructions, and later we're gonna try it on my nails. So my nails are naked, barely naked right now. It's all, you know, I'm gonna cut it off, trim my nails, rather, not cut it off, because I'm not gonna have my nails. So yeah, so you have just file and shape bath nails, and choose proper size of your nails. You can just choose here. And fourth one, file the both sides of the edge at the 45 degrees to fit your cuticles. So yeah, and apply base coat on the nail bed and cure for 60s. Take appropriate amount of nail gel, apply on it for false nail tip. Cool, this is just like amazing. So yeah, so I'm gonna try, and I think it has 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So 12, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Then times 5. So it has like 120 nails, if I'm not mistaken, with the mathematics right here. So it's a lot. So see, so I'm gonna try on my nails, and let's do this together and try it on and how it looks like on my nails, and see you later. And yeah, let's gonna try this on and how it looks like. Thank you, 5 Angels Tipex Instant Apex, for these nails, and I'll be right back later. And yeah,
out for a little while.